from the eyes, I wanna do my brow first. So I just fill in my brow using brow powder and just kinda like fill in the sparse area. And yeah. Next is primer. For the primer, I'm using like fill in pore primer because I have big pore. For the foundation, I'm using the Body Shop Moisture Foundation in the shade number 5, and I only use one pump, and I mix with the luminizer, like liquid highlighter, and just put it all over my face using buffing brush spiral technique. Okay, now for the concealer, I use it as a highlight as well. For the bronzer, I'm using cream bronzer by the Body Shop. It's called Highlighting Dome in the shade Bronze, and just like bronzing up my face and like kind of contouring and just shape my face. For the blush, I'm using the Body Shop Highlighting Dome in the shade Blush and just put it on the apple of my cheek. And yes, I haven't blended the bronzer, so now I'm blending it all together. For the powder, I only use it for setting my powder really lightly and just kinda not setting it, if you know what I mean. For the highlight, I'm using the Body Shop Highlighting Dome in the shade Highlight and just put it on the place that I wanna highlight. For the eyes, I use the same highlighter and just put it all over my eyelid. And then for the eyeliner, I'm using this brown powder and just put it to define my eyes. Then after that, I just curl my lashes and put some mascara on my lashes. Next for the lips, I use lip tint and just put it all over my lips, and that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this, and don't forget to subscribe me my video 1 or 2 times a week. Bye guys, see you next video.